Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily mark a bill as paid on QuickBooks. So let's just head over to qbo.intuit.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then to start, we're just going to click on New button. Then click on Receive Payment. So from here, let's just choose a customer in which we're going to receive the payment. We're going to choose this customer, for example. And next is just select the payment method. Say for example, we received a check and deposit to our cash and cash equivalents. Then next is just select the transaction in which you're going to receive a payment. And as you can see, this is the amount we're going to receive. And next is all we have to do is click on Save and Close. And as you can see, the payment status is already paid. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!